Hello everyone, welcome back. So one more gate question in front of you on the screen. See here, this is a local variables and global variables and scope based question. Maximum we can expect this question, not this type of question. So here, when they given any question, you have to identify this is the which type of question. Okay, here how many variables are there? We'll see now. So this line indicates global variables. So these global variables can used by this main function and this ptr function, and this main function having what, one static variable, and it is calling ptr function how many times, two times. So this is a function call, it is calling this function, and when it is called this function it is executed from this line. The execution will come and here executed this code. Again this line is executed, again ptr function is nothing but again will come here and will execute. Let us see what is the output of this program. Before executing this program, let us see what is the local scope, global scope. Local scope is nothing but here int a is there, here static int a is here, a equal to 0 is there, a equal to 1 is there. So when you are printing here a, which value will print? First we'll assign the priority to local scope. Local scope values will display if local variable is not found. For example, in this you can see that a is there but b not there. Okay, so here a comma b is there, so b what should print here? 0. Are you getting? A is there, here also A is there, so first it will give the local priority. Okay, and the student, this is a global, these are local scopes, and global scope variables are executed when inside the local scope it is not available at that time it will take global values, and here see will execute the code. So every C program execution starts from main. So static int a equals to 1, and static is what is the use of static? When this value is changed in coming lines, the value will be here changed value, not this. When you put here auto, when you put here auto, the value will be same. When again this state, if this statement will execute, the value will be same. So when static will come, when you change this value, that value will change. Now we'll see. So here this is the main function, this is a ptr function. Let us execute static int a equals to 1. What is the a value now here? 1. Okay, next it is executing what, ptr function. Ptr function means, so the control goes from here to here. So these three lines are not executed till after execution of this line only these three lines will execute. So static int a equals to 1, 1 ptr function a plus equal to 1 means what? A equal to a plus 1. A equal to a plus 1, is this executed? No. So ptr function, when ptr function is executed, the control will comes to here. So it is executed this one ptr function. Okay, so in this static int a equals to 2, so here 2. So these a equal to 1 belongs to this main function, this a equals to 2 belongs to these two functions. These variables you cannot change, local scope variables will available in that function only. Okay, here a equals to, next int b equals to 1, a plus equals to plus b means what? A equal to plus b. A equals to what this line indicates? A equals to a plus plus b. So what happened? What is the a value here? 2. So in the place of this what will come? 2 plus b is nothing but 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 2 is nothing but, what is that answer? What is the a value? Becomes 4. So now printf percentage d comma a comma b. What is the a value you got here? 4. What is the b value here? It is incremented 2. So what will printed in the output now? 4 comma 4 2 will print. 4 2 will print. So this is executed, right? This function total executed, again it will goes to where? So this line, what here? A equal to a plus 1. A equal to a plus 1 means this value will change, not this a value. Okay, a value, a equals to, so what a becomes? 2. Now ptr function, again it will comes to here. So here what is the a value here? Not this a value, and here in the below this a value changed to how much here? 4. So here new a value is what? 4. Already I told you static values, static variables, when you apply in an operation of static variables, whatever the value change, so that is applied here. So a value becomes what? 4. Into b equals to what? 1 only, not 2. This is auto, in front of this auto is there. So when again this particular function is executed, default values again will be what? 1. So again a equal to a plus b means what now? So what will come? 4 plus b is nothing but what? 2. 4 plus 2 is nothing but what? 6. So what a value now? A becomes 6, b becomes 2. So again this is executed. Again it go to above function, last statement printf percentage d comma a comma. What is the a value? 6. No. Here what is the a value? You can see. What is the a value here? 2. And what is the b value? In this b value is not available. So what is the output? 2 0. Yes or no? B value I am taking from global variables. Okay. See what is the output now? 4 to 6 to 2 0. So this is the output, students. So once again I am telling here these are global variables. Global variables when we apply is when in the local variable, in the local variables it will assign the priority to first local variables. If in the local variables these variables are not available, it will use that variables. Okay, here b is what? 0. And here one more thing I want to tell here. What happened here? Here static means what? When this value is changed, that value is changed as it is. Okay. And here this static variable, this static variable, both are different variables. This a value belongs to only main, this a value belongs to only ptr function. Got it? In the next session I will come with one more question, students. If you like it, please subscribe. If you have any queries, please put in comment. Definitely I will clarify your doubt. Okay, thank you, students.